Good morning, Fuego. Morning, Fuego. Ayan. Morning po. Palaibok. Good morning, Fuego. Ayan, so hindi ko naman ibibento si Fuego eh. So, ito yung aking baby Fuego. Fuego baby. Ayan. So today is Wednesday. And today is today is his vaccine.